Hi, I'm Roger Dykman. I'm the Vice President of Sales for BendixKing, and we're here today in Dayton, Ohio at Stevens Aerospace to talk about the first installation of the AeroVue system in a King Air B200. AeroVue is BendixKing's aftermarket installation of what Honeywell has as an Epic system. It's one of the most prolific cockpit systems in the industry for business aviation, and we've now made it an aftermarket retrofit solution. Stevens has been a great supporter of BendixKing and the AeroVue system since its inception. So it's appropriate that our first installation comes through Stevens Aerospace. The AeroVue system brings world-class synthetic vision, best human factors, and an ease of use in the cockpit that's unseen in this class of aircraft. So with the AeroVue installation, you save at least 125 pounds with the installation. It depends on your initial configuration, but the installations we've done has been 125 to 150 pounds. You also have a significant improvement in your cost of ownership. With a new system, it comes with brand new radio, brand new autopilot, new radar, so you get a new avionics system with this installation. What we have here in the AeroVue installation is the nose section of the King Air. You can see, if you've ever seen the King Air nose section with the original avionics in it, it is jam-packed full of gear. There's no space to breathe in there when you look at an original King Air. What you can see now is with the AeroVue system, we talked about that weight savings. A big chunk of that weight savings comes in the new equipment that gets installed with AeroVue. You also can see the quality of work that Stevens has done as far as the installation. Very neat, tidy, very well done installation, very, very clean installation.